How are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start. Asatoma Shatkamaya Tamasoma Jyotikamaya Mrityoma Amardam Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Children, in this class, we are going to see a new concept. Before going to the session, shall we do our energizer? That is, throw, clap and catch. Children, listen. First, I will give you the instructions. You should listen and follow. Listen, children. Imagine that you are holding a ball. Listen, children. Whenever I say throw, you have to throw the ball. Then, whenever I say clap, you have to clap your hands. Then, whenever I say catch, you have to drop the ball. Children, are you clear with the instructions? Are you ready? Yes. Let's start. Throw, clap, catch. Throw, clap, catch. Throw, clap, catch. Clap, catch, throw. Super, children. Children, say, what is meant by religious festival? Yes, there are many religious festivals in India. These festivals are celebrated by peoples of different religions. Children, say, how many types of religious festival we have? What are they? Yes, it is of 4 types. They are Diwali, Eid, Guru Parva and Christmas. Children, tell, what is meant by national festival? Yes, there are some other festivals that can be celebrated commonly by all people. Those are known as national festival. Children, tell, how many types of national festival we have? What are they? Yes, it is of 3 types. They are Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day and Republic Day. Children, now we are going to recall about Independence Day. Children, tell, on which day we will hoist the national flag? Yes, August 15, on the occasion of Independence Day, we will hoist our flag and celebrate. Children, tell, what will you badge on your shirt or dress on that special occasion? Yes, we will wear the national flag on that special day. Children, tell, why we are celebrating Independence Day? Yes, we got our independence on 15th August. So we celebrate this day of every year as Independence Day. Children, tell, who is the first Prime Minister of independent India? Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of independent India. Children, tell, where the flag will be hoisted by our Prime Minister? Yes, our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. Children, now we are going to see about Republic Day. Children, tell on which day we will celebrate Republic Day. Yes, we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. Children, tell what will you badge on your shirt or dress on that special occasion? Yes, we will wear the national flag on that special day. Children, tell what we will do on that special occasion. Yes, we will hoist national flag and parade will be organized by New Delhi on behalf of Prime Minister of India. Children, say what will be special on that day? Yes, the President will awards medals of bravery to children and soldiers on 26th January. Children, say which is the highest bravery award for soldier? Yes, Paramveer Chakra is the highest bravery award for soldiers. Children, are you clear with the concept of Republic Day? Yes. Children, now it's time for homework. Read the concept of Republic Day, page number 26 in your book, and record your audio and send it through Google Classroom. Children, now we are going to see about the rewards for your homework. Now look at this slide. I awarded with 2 smileys for those who have finished their homework on time, and I awarded with 1 smiley for those who have submitted their homework after the due time. So children, don't be delay in submitting your homework. And for the next session, children, listen. I need all your columns to be filled with 2 smileys. Now I am going to read the name of 2 smiley students. Ajay, Ridhanya, Kritik Varshan, Akash Vikram, Tarun, Mitra, Sugan, Shamrita, Danish, Sharvin, Danya Srinidhi, Lavit Kumar, Ritik Nath and P. Kishore. Then I am going to read the name of 1 smiley student. Geeta Ranjani, ID children. Children, give a applause for them. Very good children. Well done. Keep it up. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you children.